this is Pio Anjirayut, and in this presentation I will go over HighChart for Big Data Visualization. It is the final project for the Big Data Analytics. So what is HighChart? HighChart is the library, a charting library that using JavaScript that was written in JavaScript and is offering ways to add interactive charts to your web page or your web application. Why are we using HighCharts? Because one, HighCharts is very interactive. You have the tooltip where you can hovering your mouse and get pop-up display, which I will show you later in this presentation. You'll have the compatibilities. It's available from all platforms because it is using the client's base or JavaScript, so you don't have to have complicated stuff on the server. And it have variety, have different kind of charts that it support. It has everything that you need: columns, line, area. It is very easy to use, which you'll see in the later of this presentation, and you can export and print the HighCharts. It's very easy to set up and it's free. So let's get started. Before we go into the code, I would just want to go over a little bit of components of the HighCharts. We have title, display the title of the charts, subtitle, y-axis, x-axis, legends, series, and here's the tooltip where you can hover over each series and give you some details. And we also have the print or download button on the upper right corner where you can export your charts in form of SVG, PDF, or JPEG. The main script that you would need in order to use HighCharts are the jQuery script, which enable you to use the jQuery library in your web page. Your HighCharts JavaScript, you can either use this link going to code.highcharts.com/highchart.js, or you can download the library into your server or your local when you're running the local host. And the third line here is for the model, exporting model, where you can export and print your HighCharts. The second component in the code that you need is container. This container is basically modify what's go into your charts. In this example right here, I have the chart container, have chart type column, have title as monthly average rainfall, subtitle axis in category where we'll group them, have y-axis rainfall, and here is the modification for the tooltips. And we can modify the data later on in this presentation. The way there's variety different ways that we can import or load data into HighChart. The very simple way is called data series, where you can put raw data into your code under the series key and put the value next to it. You can use the CSV and then import it after. Similar to the CSV, you can use JSON response or the JSON file, or you can pull data from the database, or you can use the live data this is a little bit more advanced, which I'm not including in here in this presentation, but you can follow the example on the website. So the first way here is what I was talking about. It's very simple. You just add name, column, and name basically column, and each value into its own category here. You'll create the chart. The second way is the CSV. For the CSV, you'll need to use the get method here, reading the data.csv and put the data into the function, split the line from the CSV and saying each line put it into the value, or you can use this example right here to create your chart. So here's the output from importing CSV, manually parsing using this code that in this presentation. A third way is using JSON file, similar to what we had before, but instead of using get function, getting data, you're going to use these JavaScript, write your own function, and use get JSON. Instead of get, you just use get JSON, put all the data that you parse, we have the key value, and put it in this column and category, and you'll have the output something like this.